In this video, we are going to see how we can hide our following list on TikTok. So if you don't want your viewers or other followers who are linked to your TikTok profile to be able to see whom you're following, here's how you can easily hide that. First of all, just move to your profile from the bottom right hand corner, click on the icon of your profile, and then you click on the three lines at the top right hand corner and click on settings and privacy. Now, once you are in your settings and privacy, you will go to the interactions section that is right here. You click on that and you will get the following list option. So if it is set to, let's say, everyone should be able to see your following list. But if you set it to only you, it says other users will only see the mutual friends and not the complete following list on TikTok. So that's about it. Pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.